Well, bad news for iPad owners. You might not want to hear this, but it's true. 114,000 of their email addresses have been compromised. According to the New York Times, a group of hackers obtained the email addresses of 3G iPad users through a security loophole in AT&T's website. Additionally, they obtained individual iPad identification numbers used to connect to the internet. That's a big problem. The list of exposed email addresses includes military personnel, members of Congress, New York Times execs, the mayor of New York City, and many more prominent figures, not to mention tens of thousands of other people. The loophole has been closed, and now the FBI is investigating that security breach.
Great.
Yeah, I'm surprised it took them this long. It launched in, early April, and it's
Yeah.
taken this long to hack into it, but that is definitely a huge security risk, because as you know, someone gets into your email, they can get into all your information, all your personal information, worm their way through. So
Change your passwords, all that good stuff. So.
yeah, hopefully they said they have corrected the problem. Now the FBI is looking into how it happened.
Perfect. All right, thanks, Nina.
Sure.